Hi, I'm Danny from Paslode. I'm here to tell you about our IM65 straight finishing nailer. A 16 gauge nailer, only 2.1 kilograms, making this tool extremely light, offering best in class comfort, performance and reliability. Now, I'd like to show you how to load the tool. With your Paslode brads comes a small yellow high compression fuel cell, with the cap being in safety mode. Firstly, depress the black cap so it engages with the fuel cell. Open your fuel cover, making sure that the male pin locates with the female sleeve. Next, take your straight brads, insert them into the magazine, depress your follower and gently return the follower onto the end of the brads. Lastly, with Paslode, safety first, the battery will always be the last thing in and the first thing out. Locating the battery into the tool. First click, the tool is in standby mode. Second click, your tool becomes live and is ready to use. The IM65 straight brad tool fires 16 gauge brads in straight from 16mm up to 63mm in both electro galv and stainless steel finishes. This is a second fix trim tool and can be used for many applications including dado rail, architrades, skirting boards, door liners, cladding, trellis work and much more. The tool also has a very simple and easy to use depth adjuster, and for any jams or cleaning the tool you can simply pinch, pull the cover to get to the area and return back to position. When you fully engage your battery into the tool becomes live with a green flashing LED light that flashes red when the battery will need recharging. The tool also has a very simple to use and effective left and right sided belt hook. So let's finish up with some firing. Let's remove the components from the tool. Starting off with the battery, simply press and remove. The brads are going to slide out. Remove the follower back to press and your brads will slide out the tool. Remove the fuel cover, removing the fuel cell from the tool. I've been Danny from Paslode and this is our IM65 straight finishing nailer.